Color coding and inspection. Color coding is tagging system for the identification of damaged or defective tools and equipment. The purpose of this training is to perform an effective inspection and easily identify that the quarterly inspection is done. This training covers the minimum requirements for the color coding of tools and equipment after inspection. Responsibilities. The inspection for color coding shall be carried out by competent and authorized person only. Competent person has a practical and theoretical knowledge together with actual experience of what they are examining, so as to enable them to detect errors, defects, faults or weaknesses, should attend the relevant HSE training courses, should carry out color coding in their under-controlled facilities, maintain the color coding tag, record the inspection data, and provide a copy to HSE section for filing. Submit the inspection results to in-charge section for information and action. Items for inspection. The color coding items are likely as following, but not limited: electrical equipment and tools, and hand tools. Mobile equipment: crane, excavator, compressor, truck, welding machine. Rigging tools: web sling, wire rope, hook, shackle, turnbuckle, come-along, chain block. Ladder, fire extinguisher, smoke detector, oxyfuel regulator, etc. Color coding and inspection. The color coding denotes the successful completion of the inspection. Upon meeting the inspection criteria, details of the tools and equipment results shall be documented and filed by section managers. A copied inspection report shall be given to HSE manager. The scheduled inspections and color coding of tools and equipment shall be detailed in the color coding procedure. The color coding tag shall be posted at the site bulletin boards and specified in the site HSE handbook. Quarterly color coding. Defective tools and equipment. Any tools and equipment that fails the inspection criteria shall be tagged with an out-of-service tag, which shall be marked with details of the defect. The defective tools and equipment shall be withdrawn from service until repaired and re-inspection. The competent person placing the tag shall notify the supervisor in charge of that piece of equipment or tools of the defect, and shall hand over to the supervisor the out-of-service tag stub. For positive identification, the supervisor shall arrange for the repair of the defective tools or equipment. If the item cannot be repaired at site, the supervisor shall have the item removed from the project site. The supervisor shall hand the serviceman the out-of-service tag stub to ensure that the correct component is inspected and repaired. When the component is repaired and successfully tested, the serviceman shall remove the out-of-service tag and return the tag and tag stub to the supervisor in charge for re-inspection of the competent person. Inspection record and logbook. Inspection record. The inspection record shall be completed and maintained by inspectors. The record shall be filed by the HSE section and respected section. A logbook shall be established for each piece of equipment and shall be kept by the HSE section. When the logbook has been lost or is missing, the equipment shall be withdrawn from service until the equipment has been re-inspected. Fire extinguishers and smoke detectors. Fire extinguishers and smoke detectors shall be inspected on a monthly basis. Any item found during the inspection to be defective shall be replaced and removed from service immediately. A record of the inspection shall be maintained near the equipment and in a master list. Fire extinguishers and smoke detectors all equipment shall be inspected by a competent person. Batteries in smoke detectors shall be annually replaced or earlier if inspection reveals they are discharged. A record of the replacement of batteries should be recorded on the inspection record. Color coding and inspection. Summary. Color coding system is a good tool to easily recognize unsafe and safe tools and equipment. If properly conducted and continuously monitored, it will give you a more confidence in your job that you are using a properly inspected and safe tools and equipment. It will also increase production since only safe and efficient tools and equipment is used in the site.